go. Find the joy in each little flow. Splish, splish, splash, give a little cheer. Happy bath time, baby smile so clear. Water's warm and bubbly bright, turning bath time into a delight. Duckies quack as the soap bars glide. Baby's laughter is our joyful guide. Floating toys and a bubbly song make us feel like we belong.